Kain daw Jessica ng kuan guys ay. Blackberry ay. Lagyan na niya asin. Show them. Hi guys, let's eat berry. Anya.
Almost like it's some sort of a ruin from the future.
Is this
Asin.
something industrial sitting in
Say,
the countryside? And
let's eat berries.
miles and miles.
But the line
Okay.
isn't complete.
Berries.
It makes absolutely no sense.
Kaslom ay parang mangga. Yummy.
When you get closer to it, you see bits of concrete crumbling off it. And then there's a strange ridge that runs through the centre of it.
It seems almost Blade Runner-esque, but yet it's in the middle of nowhere, and clearly. So what was it for? And where was it supposed to lead? Abandoned for decades, the history of this structure, conspiracy theories.
Honey, Jessica is like.
But today, it still has its admirers. The structure doesn't look like but in its day, it was the scene of a revolutionary project that was way ahead of its time.
Try.
It's a continuous track more than 100 miles in length. It was
Your hair is so sticky lagi.
has been a huge inspiration for us. Today,
Yummy?
we want to use the engineering of that time along with today's technology to create a transport revolution. But if it was intended for transportation, then what kind? The answer lies in a period of astonishing technological advances. Burgeoning of technology. People were looking to the future.
Can't see, honey.
All sorts of ways. There was the space race, Concorde, science blossomed.
Yummy?
While many engineers were looking to the skies, with this design, the ambition was close to the ground. The project was to reinvent replace the train with something much faster.
Just parallel tracks. What's really unusual is this ridge that runs along it, which kind of suggests that there was some kind of innovation involved, some new thinking.
Evidence of that adventurous new technology.
There's no more ice cream. Honey, you ask daddy.
There's one left. Oh, you have ice cream today.
Oh baby now, let me warm you up. Baby please, let me love you much. Come on with me baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby now, let me warm you up. Oh baby please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you.